How to zoom GoPro Hero 5 Black. So I bought this camera. I didn't know how to use it. I tried researching on the internet how to make this thing zoom in. All I got was frustrating garbage. So I'm getting straight to the point here. That's my GoPro Hero 5 Black. I'm going to show you how to do it. If you want to know how to zoom in, the power button is the one on the side over here. All right. Hang on, I'm holding the phone. I only got 6 hands. I'm not an octopus. All right, so there it is. I just clicked it with my thumb. It's right on this side is the power button. Camera comes on. Over here, you see this thing. It says FOV. Touch that. Okay, it opens up. Super view. This is the slider. There it goes, it's sliding. Okay. So, I'm trying to make it slide. Okay, here we go. It's sliding. See, it slides up and down. Super view. I just moved it to wide. It got wide. It changed the picture there. I'm a medium. You see, it's zooming in. As I'm moving it, it's zooming in. There's linear. All right, narrow. Now the last setting says narrow, and that's the most zoom. So it's very simple and easy to do. Touch the power button on the side, the camera comes on. You touch the icon says FOV, you get this screen. You slide it with your finger, move it down. If you want to zoom all the way in, on mine I just did it by moving it down to where it says narrow. Okay, I touched the word narrow, it turned blue, and now it returned me to my screen where I'm ready to record a video. And the setting is on narrow, so now I'm zoomed in. I can start recording a video. Zoomed in. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.